Hi everybody, I'm Jean-Michel Edreux. I'm a Crohn and ostomate patient. As you listen, I'm not a fantastic English speaker. I'm a French guy, but I'm trying to presenting to you the 11 Health project called Alfred Smart Care. This is Michael, my friend and founder of 11 Health. He was a Crohn patient with a severe form of the disease. Unfortunately, in May 2020, Michael didn't win the last fight. We met 10 years ago. We have had the same passion for patient advocacy. And our mission, our plan, our ideal is improving the quality of life of ostomy patients and people who are living with chronic disease. Like Crohn, like colitis, like colorectal cancer, endometriosis, polyposis, and so on. And for this, we use the technology, the data, and patient support network. Our solution, our approach is adapted for the main type of ostomy. The first one is ileostomy, created from the small intestine with liquid feces. And the second is colostomy, created from the large intestine. And the main difference with the other is the formed stool. The problem. The cost of readmission per patient is high, 14,000 euros per patient. Why? Because too many patients are first readmitted to hospital for dehydration, for skin complication, for renal failure, and much more visit than average the other disease. The ostomy market and ostomy care, it's a huge market. It's $25 billion in the world. And sadly, with Michael, we haven't seen much innovation in ostomy bag and ostomy care. And for us, too many patients are staying isolated. Too many patients didn't know how the dehydration could be dangerous for them. And too many patients suffering alone. And now we want to stop this. We are in 2020, not to the prehistoric period. And that's why we want to deliver a digital health solution for chronically ill patients and ostomate. By creating sensor into a medical device, and then to collect information to have a better understanding, patient need, unmet need, and understand and improve the patient pathway. Our solution is more than a set of sensors. It's a solution for each stakeholder in the ostomate patient pathway. And our program, will act a crucial care management tool for all stages of the patient journey, before the surgery, during the hospital, and in recovery at home. And what 11 Health seeks? We want to find an investor for 11 Health Capital and find partnerships. The past 8 years, like you see here, we work a lot. We created strip sensor. We built our own smart bag and wafer, developed all digital solution. We clinically validated everything and we patented it. Now, for the final one, we need to raise money for initial commercialization. In the 5 next years, we would like to provide our program and product to 26,000 patients in US and in Europe. Thank you very much for your attention. If you need more details for figure or market, I'm there.
Thank you so much, Jean-Michel. Sophia, do you want to ask a question?
Sure. Jean-Michel, first, thank you, more than congratulations for being here, and I'm really sorry for Michael. Your solution seems to be really impactant, and you have a full idea of the problem. So could you please explain us a little bit more of your vision on the expansion of these? Because it's being a medical device is always hard. So can you give us a little bit a blink of the future?
And the next, you want to know the next steps?
Yes, to expand, yes.
We finished the clinical trials in US with Cleveland Clinic, and we are ongoing to connect all the codification with insurance to the US. In France, we are start clinical trials with several CHU in France to validate the process. And when we validate it with hospital, we have to go to commission for the reimbursement for the patient. And it's almost 2 or 3 years. And the aim of this clinical trial in France is to gate the reimbursement for all the patients. Reimbursement for the product and reimbursement for the program with the patient coach. The patient coach will be able to support the patient before the surgery and after the surgery.
Can I ask just a short question too? Regarding the price, is it similar to the normal bags or is it much more expensive?
No, it's more expensive. It's not the same product. We don't want to be a company who manufacture a bag. We have a lot of services around the bag. It's not just a product. It's really a program, a very good program for all new patients. We suffer a lot with Michael regarding our disease and with the ostomy. And we don't want that the young patient who discover the disease have the same life than us. We want to improve that. And that's why we can compare the price of the product, but it's a global solution.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Jean-Michel.